Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Fuse is an imidacloprid and fipronil insecticide. This product uses these two chemicals to interfere with the insect's nervous system. Fuse controls many different species of insects, but we typically recommend it for outdoor use to control wood-destroying insects like carpenter ants and termites. Fuse has a powerful knockdown and a long-lasting residual, but is mainly limited to outdoor treatments. Fuse can also not be applied to plants that are flowering or during flowering season, as it can kill pollinating insects. If these concern you, check out Reclaim IT. Reclaim IT can be used indoors and outdoors, and controls a lot of the same pests and many more. Before using Fuse, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. You can mix Fuse at a varying rate, depending on the level of infestation and your targeted pest. Typically, it will be mixed at 0.3 to 0.6 fluid ounces per gallon of water. Always follow label directions for proper mix rate and do not over-apply. Fuse comes in an easy-to-use tip and measure bottle. To measure the product, make sure both caps are tight and tip the bottle over. Tip the bottle back and use the measurement lines on the reservoir to collect the required amount. Fill your sprayer halfway with water and then add the product. Add the rest of the water and thoroughly agitate your sprayer and you're ready to apply. Use Fuse as a termite trenching treatment around structures, or as a barrier spray around points of entry to the structure, such as weep holes, vents, and where electrical and plumbing penetrate the walls. Fuse not only kills the insects that come into contact with the chemical, but it's spread through contact. So one insect can become infected and spread it to the rest of the colony. You can apply Fuse with either a pump sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a spray rig for large volume application. Fuse should not be applied during rain or if rain is in the immediate forecast. Keep all pets and people off the treated areas until they're dry. When using Fuse as a termite trenching treatment, it will have a residual of a few years, and when using it as a spot spray, it will have a residual of up to a few months. We typically recommend spot spraying every 2 months for continual control. Fuse is not an instant kill. Once the insect comes into contact with the chemical, it can take a few hours for it to die. Depending on your target pest life cycle, you may need to reapply in 14 to 21 days. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll also need an insect growth regulator and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card on the top right to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.